up, guys? It's your boy Babour again with another YouTube video, and today's video is going to be about this bad boy. Like you probably read it at the description already below. It's going to be about this guy right here. I'm excited. Alright, so let me talk about what this thing is right here, okay? Like, you know, all those shots that the photographers take, those super close-up shots of a tear or eye or some kind of a plant, and you can see those small details. This is the lens, alright? This is the lens called macro lens, and macro lens, what is the meaning of macro lens is literally like what it says, it's macro. All those macro tiny shots of information that you want to take from like those close-up, super close-up shot. This is the lens that photographers or videographers or filmmakers, whoever needs it, like wants that shot. This is the lens that they use. Alright, what's so good about this lens, and why am I doing this unboxing for this, and why did I buy this? Alright, first of all, the price compared to every other macro lens out there, I think this is the cheapest, the most like cheapest and reliable the macro lens that you can ever get. You can get, not ever, but you can find and get. There are things called tubes or something like that you put on the lens, and it's like it gives you that extra range, 16mm and 10mm extra, and it kind of looks like a macro lens kind of a shot, macro shot. But I bought that and I used that for a couple of times, and I did not like it at all. Like, it's really hard to focus, and there's a lot of I don't know, there's a lot of downside for that, you know what I mean? And you have to, it's not ideal from my opinion. I don't like it, so this is why I bought this this lens right here. This is lens from 7ARTISAN. I don't know if you heard about this lens. I mean, this is about this company. It's like I think it's Chinese company, but they do pretty good job for the price that their items are. For example, I bought another 24mm right here. Is this that? Yeah, right here. This is a 7ARTISAN 24mm 1.7, and so far it's like it's not as sharp as my Sigma lenses or anything like that, but it's still for the price that I bought for $69 or something. 24mm. I think it's pretty good. 1.7. It's well worth it. Let me just say that. All right. So another good thing about this lens is it works perfectly with my Sony a1600. It's APS-C. I wouldn't suggest getting it for a full frame. If you're using APS-C cameras, this is definitely the best thing that you can find in the on best like budget macro lens that you can find online or anywhere like that, and you don't have to buy like through somebody else compared to Rokinon, which costs $800, or Samsung. I think those, like, all those guys cost $7,000 to $1,000. I was thinking to get those. Obviously they're well-known brand, and the shots are going to be super clear and everything, but I wanted to try something new, and for the cheaper, obviously, because of this COVID thing happening, it's like I don't want to spend too much money and in the future not end up using it, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is a macro lens from 7ARTISAN, 60mm. This is a 60mm and 2.8. Most of the macro lenses are 2.8. So that's being it. I think I don't have to go through all the details, but this is the overall idea of what this lens is. Okay, all right. First of all, I just want to say that the box is really cool. It's like all black. I love all black. It's just anything all black is just perfect. You know, it's just perfect. And this is all black with like white colors. That's perfect. So you have to peel these things off on the side. Alright. Ooh, yeah. Okay, this is the box. There's nothing in it. Throw it out. This is a pouch that it comes with. Usually 7ARTISANs always have these small pouches. I find them really handy, but obviously if they were a little more durable, I guess would be much better, but still not bad, whatever. Okay, this is an instruction of how to use it and what to do it. Release. Oh, I was holding the other way. To the side as well. This is 7ARTISAN. I can't tell. Can speak Chinese or read Chinese, let me know what this is or what it means or anything like that. I'm not sure if it's focused because I'm using manual focus right now. What is this for? Oh, this is follow focus probably. This is for the follow focus, I'm pretty sure. Alright, just put it to the side. Okay, time. Little sponge, let's keep it safe. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. I like it. Bag, not need it. You are not need it. Not need it. There's nothing else. It's just another sponge and another sponge. And yeah, this is it. Whew. Here you go, guys. $200, almost $300, $270 macro lens. The cheapest lens that you can find online right now for the best quality, I guess. First of all, what I wanted to say is the build quality feels very well, like really good. It's pretty heavy and it's metal. Anything else? So far, the cap looks so small. I don't know why it looks so small. Oh, yeah, it's really hard to open it because of the way it's like you can't really adjust it, so you gotta have to open it like this way. Okay. 2.8. This is the exposure. 16mm to 2.8, and this is the. Ooh, okay. Oh, damn! This is this is long. All right. This is 3 feet. So the closer you go, the longer your lens pushes back, I guess, and this thing comes out. I can't. Wait, so can you guys see this? So this is, I guess, this is 3 feet right here. This is unlimited, infinity, right? 3 feet, and the closer we go, this is 0.2. This is so weird. Okay, you can shoot under the water with the front lens barrel on. Please be careful because the lens itself is not waterproof. Ooh, that is sick. That is nice. So if you want to shoot underwater, you can literally just put the lens up to here. There's a line right here. I don't know if you can see. There's a line like right here, and you can put the shoot it in the water until that specific line right here. It's 5 centimeters, so you can shoot it 5 centimeters deep in water. It's not much, but if you have an aquarium at home and you want to shoot your fish or something, yep, that will work really well. This is quite weird. Like I don't know how it's gonna work when I start, when I'm shooting, and that's gonna be quite uncomfortable. I think when I bought it, I didn't see this part on Amazon. There was no such a thing like that. Like there was an image like this, so it feels quite weird, but I guess we'll see how it's gonna work out. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll find it useful. This is the lens, guys. This is an artisan lens that I wanted to share with you guys. And if you're a photographer and if you like macro shots, those beautiful close-ups of insects, like it says here, or flowers, I think this is the lens to go. And I'm pretty sure they have a Canon version, Nikon version, Fujifilm, and Sony. I don't know about I don't know about GH5s, or I don't know about BMCs and stuff like that, but those are the most popular ones, and I'm pretty sure they have for those. They have it for Sony, and I bought it. I will take some pictures and I'll share it, and maybe I'll leave a comment myself, say how I feel about it. Yeah, but so far I really like the build. It's very well built. Like it's pretty heavy, sturdy. It feels really nice, but I just don't like that extra thing coming out. But we'll see how it goes. So this is the unboxing of Artisan lens, macro lens, 60mm. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hope it was helpful. If you're looking to become a macro photographer, try this out before buying it, spending $1,000 on a new Rokinon lens or anything, or Canon lenses. Try this out. It's almost quarter the price, and I haven't tried it myself. Like, I don't know the quality of the image, but all those, like, you know, it has a really good stars and really good ratings, and I thought I would try it. So I'll try myself, and I'll leave a comment below and let you guys know how like sharp it is and stuff like that. Hope you guys will enjoy it. That's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. As always, thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs up if you loved it, and I'll see you guys sometimes next week. Ciao. Oh, I've been looking at the screen the whole time. I should have been looking at you guys, like right here. God damn. Whatever. By the way, this is my new over the head rig. I copied it from Daniel Schiffer. Woo! This is actually so helpful, so useful, and really cheap compared to buying a C-stand, putting over it, stuff like that. I think it looks pretty good. You know, can't complain. Alright, ciao. Artisanos.